gonna put it in sport mode since we're out. We're clearly out and about, so we're in sport mode. We have really nothing to run into. Now, is the fan, the goggles good? Yeah. All right, dead random here with the anti-gravity, doing a quick flight. A couple of things. If you look, I've got the landing pad out in front of me. So that's what we'll do. I'll be giving voice commands and flying this little area here is perfect area for a flight like today. Right. So switch out the battery because I had to do an update, probably a battery update. All right, are we recording? All right. All right, so I'm going to tell the drone to record the screen and from the drone. Record screen. Record screen. Start recording. All right, so we're recording both. Next one I'm going to tell it to do is go into FPV mode. FPV mode. All right, so that's what we need to do right there. I don't see any red this time, so we're going to go ahead and get the prop started, hold it up, and so we're going to use this location and we're going to take off above. All right, so the first flight, my practice flight this morning, I'm witnessing this this kind of glitchiness. A little bit of like, maybe it's the card speed. I don't know. Maybe it's my card speed that's doing this. I don't believe the video is being recorded this way. It could be my card speed though. I do have a not the most powerful card. So we're just going a little bit low here so we get the details, get a good video. So it doesn't matter if I stand up or sit down. Yeah, I would say that if you are with, let me change the screen around here. All right, I would say that if you are, if you're sitting, you have to have a little bit of space to your side. I think everything's good. I got the goggles set up good. You know, I would like to have the fan on the goggles right now. So I'm gonna put up the defog right there. That is gonna help. And then I've got that turned all the way up. Just wanna make sure I've got anti-fogging going on. Okay, everything's clear though. I don't think. That's the one good thing about these goggles is you can, adjust that left eyepiece. And that right one's good. There, that's better. It has nothing to do with what was going on. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in sport mode since we're out. We're clearly out and about, so we're in sport mode. We have really nothing to run into. Now is the fan, the goggles good? Yeah. I just noticed, the other thing is that this drone is registered to somebody, and I'm gonna have them swap it out. I'm gonna run down to Best Buy today and have them swap this drone out. We're gonna get over here, get this flight in today, and then I'm gonna have to, I thought it wasn't, but it is. I've actually had this issue. This was bought brand new from Best Buy, and so this gives us a really good spot to fly over. Really good open field. We're in a high area. Got pretty good posture. I think that's one thing when you're flying. You should be in good posture, facing the direction that you're flying. Got all that stuff going on. Get low a little bit. And you use your just like a regular airplane. For straight and level, you use your attitude indicator. Go a little above the attitude, you raise. Go down below it, you go down. Kind of nice. I mean, it's like flying a real plane. You know, you can keep straight and level. Go down, buzz the tower. To get high again. Okay, now the scroll wheel, oh, I see. The scroll wheel basically allows you to fly backwards. Oh, that's pretty cool. Well, no, that actually is changing the, it allows us to, in place. That's pretty neat. The drone is turning because we're still facing the same direction. That's really cool. Like I said, I think one of the statements I made in my live stream is patience. So I'm gonna have to be patient with this one because I've got to get this drone registered to me so I can fly it legally. And all right, so I'm going to take it back. Real good flight. Like I said, you don't have to do anything crazy, you know, as far as like movements. You can just fly. I mean, like I said, I'm in sport mode, and it's very deceptive, the speed. I'm going 30 miles an hour, just like another drone that I'd fly, you know. Pretty cool. All right. I'm gonna go take care of my logistics for today. I think the other thing it's doing really good is my return to home. So I am going to put it into normal mode. There we go. And then I'm going to hold down the return to home button. Let's see, don't tell me that again when I do that. Confirm switch. It has to go into free motion mode when it goes back home. But it did a really good job landing last time, and then landing accurately on the orange pad, so I can look straight down. Landing. Yeah, and it's basically saying it can do it. It's saying it's clear. All right, see if we can get you guys a shot of that. That drone coming in, and right there. All right. All right. All right, Dad Random, successful flight today. I think I got it. I think it just takes a couple hours. So I'm gonna go deal with the account issue. See if I can rectify that. I'm probably gonna have them swap this out. Because I bought this brand new just a couple days ago, and everything went a little bit weird. I didn't have to take off any stickers were missing. There was a lot of things. But product is working, and I'm gonna let them deal with the account issue because it should have been new out of the box and I have to register it to fly it. So that is my excuse. But I'm just gonna say, hey, I just want to replace it. I'm not trying to, do anything different. All right, later. Dad Random, bye. Later.